Welcome back, you guys, to part 2 of this binder mail embellishment book that I will be opening. Look how gorgeous. She actually cellophaned it wrapped like this. She just covered it up nicely. But this is just gorgeous, girl. Look how, oh my gosh. This is beautiful. Where did you get this from? That's amazing. I'm definitely going to be reusing it. You guys should know by now. I reuse everything. This is just gorgeous. Look at that. And then look at this pick, you guys. This is such a great way to use these picks. And then you can even disattach them and then put them on embellishments. Love the tissue paper. And this washi tape too. So beautiful already. Oh my gosh. This is, wow. I don't even know what to say. So let's just take a quick look at it. This is gorgeous. Okay, she added a tassel here with some pom-poms. Look at that. How did you do that? Oh my gosh. And then look at all this trim and ribbon. And she even, oh, creative girl. She even added the pipe cleaners in there. This little, are these from Dollar Tree? Probably not, because I don't remember it having the gold closure. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. Look, even pearls. Wow, this is incredible. She put like a little fabric trim. So creative. Look at that. I'm definitely going to be reusing that as well. And it goes with the theme. Guys, look at this. This is just beautiful. She added, oh, very smart. She added the paper inside the sleeve because there's like a sleeve here. And then she has a lot of layers here. Multiple layers. 1, 2, 3 layers of paper. Then she has like this wood frame piece. She looks like she painted it white. Beautiful cluster of flowers. And like, oh my gosh, I did the same thing. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Look at these flowers, all the details. Love the centers, love the tulle, love the color theme. Absolutely stunning. What are these called? Pine cones, the little tree, Christmas tree branches. Have a jolly holly. What? No, have a holly jolly Christmas. I always say things backwards, you guys. Look how chunky that is. Beautiful, girl. Beautiful. So beautiful. Gorgeous. Look, she did a pocket on this side. Very nice. She put a little rosette there, and it says, be filled with joy. Oh my gosh. Look at these bows. Look at that. See, I need to get, maybe I should invest in getting the punch. I'm thinking about it. Look at this little tassel hiding right there. Well, she made it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. My mom has a die for a tassel. I'm going to be spending the night with my mom for the weekend because my brothers and my hubby and my dad, they're going to California. So they're going to make a little boys trip and I'm going to stay the weekend with my mama. So that will be the first week of March. So I'm going to be like crafting away when I'm over there. I cannot wait. So look at that, you guys. Oh my god, these bowls are just absolutely super cute. And look at the little pom-poms in the center. Love this background paper too. So cute. Look at these embellishments. That's a shaker with these bowls are from Dollar Tree. I love these bowls. Love that die. This is such a great idea. Be the light. Oh my gosh, Merry Christmas. I definitely, if next year they come out with those little sea beads, or no, they're not sea beads. I don't know what they're called, you guys. She also used the Dollar Tree mesh. Oh my gosh. And I love this effect. Like, she did like a solid polka dot paper and then like a pattern paper. It gives it such a nice look. I really like that look. Thank you for the inspiration, girl, this beautiful tassel. You might hear my birds because they're ready to come out and play. Look at these tags. Oh, so cute. The little bowls, the little birdie. And I love me some crepe paper rosettes. Fun fact, you guys. When I started learning to make rosettes, it was so funny. I Hated it so much. I was like, Mom, how do you do these? My mom taught me. Then I watched a few tutorials. And she goes, Crystal, you just have to keep practicing. You just got to keep practicing. And I'm like, oh my gosh. I wanted to give up so bad. But I didn't. And I actually learned another technique. And other people do it different ways. But yeah, they're really cool. I really like to make them. And this one says joyful with the little tool. Love. I need to get a die set. I mean, I have a cameo silhouette, but it's not like accessible right now. It's like on the top of my wardrobe thing. I just got to get a table for it and make some room in my bedroom for it. But oh my gosh, so cute. These are envelopes. Stop. I don't want to pull it out, you guys, so I'm going to leave it like that. But look at that. Love the bow. Love everything about this so much. So she has some tags in here. It says special delivery, December 25th. Merry Christmas to and from. The little, that has glitter on it. This is a beautiful collection. Merry and Bright. She has a little bling right there. And Merry Christmas. Did that say Merry and Bright? Yes. Okay. Perfect. This is adorable. And then look at this one. It says all is calm, all is bright. Merry Christmas again. Merry Christmas to you. Oh my gosh. Look at this, you guys. I feel so bad. It's like February 5th, and this is when I'm recording it and even opening it. Oh, you guys, I really have to like step up my game in like everything in life. This is just beautiful, absolutely stunning. These gorgeous rosettes. I mean, what? Look at that. I don't want to be too loud because I know I'm right by the mic and I don't want to be too loud. But guys, look at this. Is my flash on? I don't even know. So she has a little die cut right there, and it says believe, and she added some bling. This is the season. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Wow, girl, you outdid yourself for sure. Look at these. Oh my gosh. Calm down, Crystal. Calm down. I can't though. This is such a great way. Okay, one came out, no biggie. But look at that. It's like she put a cluster of glue in the center and then added those little things. If I see them at Dollar Tree, I'm definitely gonna pick them up. My aunt gifted me 2 little jars filled with them, but the red and green is super pretty. Wow, look at that one with the roses. Oh my gosh. You made these. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. She's from New York, guys. She's from the Bronx, the Boogie Down Bronx. Yes, girl. We need to meet up and do a crafting day. Oh my gosh, these are stunning. Oh no. She gifted me some of these. So I'm definitely going to be making my own. My mom has a die to make tassels, even though I'm sure I can do it without it. But oh my gosh, look how creative she is. Wow. You need a YouTube channel ASAP. Okay, I'm going to put it to the side and I'm going to connect it later. And then let's look at the last page. Oh, my chocolate bar fell. Hold on, guys. I'm going to be eating this too. My mouth is salivating. Did I say that word right? Guys, she gave me ephemera and die cuts. You're such a sweetie. Candy cane wishes, mistletoe kisses. Look at this freaking flower. Oh my gosh, wait, hold up. I want to see what's in here. Oh, okay. I want to see. Okay, yeah, I can. Jeez Louise. Okay, before we get into this, let's see what she has here. Oh my god. Wait a second. This is a memory dex. I love that washi tape. This is the memory dex that you fold like this. You fold these 2 corners in, and then you fold the lid part. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. Wow, my mom's going to want some. Watch. I'll share with her. Sharing is caring. Look at this. Oh, I love that pattern. Gingham, maybe? Oh my goodness. Thank you. This is awesome. Wow. You did a lot of die cutting, girl, because die cutting is a lot of work. Okay, now let's take out this. Oh, perfect. Look at that bag topper. Totally reusing. I'm just going to close this up and move it to the side just real quick. This gorgeous binder mill. Wow. Some of them fell. So I'm just going to zoom you in some. Guys, she sent me little gingerbread men. How cute. Some of them fell on the floor, but they were right side up before. So I've seen a few of these guys. Look at a girl and a boy. Very cute. Little hearts. Thank you, thank you. Circles. Love me some circles. These are awesome for layering, embellishments. I love this paper collection. This is just gorgeous. Thank you so much, girly. This is so cool. And then, my dog wants to play. Look at these little hearts. Super cute. Love me some hearts. And then she sent me these ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Look. So cute. He has antlers. Look at this. You see what I'm saying with the stitching? I don't want to blind you guys. That's just gorgeous. And then look at these. Wow. Well, you have to let me know where you got this die set from, because it's absolutely stunning. Look at that. This is great for layering. Oh, goodness gracious. I cannot wait. I don't think I'm going to put anything away. I think I'm just going to start crafting Christmas still. I don't care. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Look at these, you guys. Christmas pajamas, Christmas Eve. Merry and bright. I hope... Jeez, Louise, Crystal, calm down. So cute. More hearts. Love me some hearts. Can I have enough of those? This little wood chip that she painted in green. Very nice. Ooh, these little die cuts of white snowflakes. Love it. This little candy cane, little ornament. Have yourself a little Merry Christmas. Naughty or nice. Look at that. Love that paper, man. I gotta get that paper. This collection is absolutely freaking cute. Love, love. Merry Christmas, little tags. Happy holidays. This one says just for you. Holly jolly. Ho, ho, ho. And then we have some of these. These are beautiful. Wow. What kind of paper is that? Feels very sturdy. Girl, oh look. Baking Spirit Bright. How cute. I love it. Wow. You literally outdid yourself. Thank you so much for sharing all the extras, and thank you for your patience. Thank you so much, girl. You are amazing. Okay, so look at this. Oh my gosh, this is just beautiful. And guys, I have one more swap on the way. Her and I have been super busy with life. Things happen, you know, but it's okay. I don't care. I can celebrate Christmas all year round. Who's with me? Who's with me with that? Let me know, because I don't think I'm going to put any of this stuff away. I think I'm going to start crafting Christmas. No, I can't. I have to wait. Thank you so much, Sydney, so much. Thank you. I can't even speak. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. You did a fantastic, fantastic job. I would love to swap with you in the future and maybe meet up in person, maybe go on a shopping day, or I don't know. We could definitely do something. I think that would be cool. And I was actually thinking about doing a New York meetup, like a YouTube crafting meetup. I don't know if you guys, I don't know how many of us are from New York. I know maybe like a handful of people that I watch here on YouTube. So, I mean, it would be cool. Even if you're not a YouTuber and you're a viewer and you craft, I would love to do a meetup. I thought that would be really cool to do. So if you guys are from New York, Sydney, if you're down, let me know. Because I know Beauty Boss Planner, I know she will be down for sure. And my friend Sabrina. And yeah, and also my third binder is Charlie. I always forget her Instagram name. I think it's Minty Charlie. I'll put it right up here. She's my next swap. We're going to be mailing it out pretty soon. But she's from also the Bronx as well. So guys, so cool. I really want to do a meetup. So let me know if you guys are interested. Maybe when the weather starts getting better. And yeah, all right. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Thank you so much, girly, for swapping with me. And I really appreciate everything that you sent my way. I'm going to be diving into this right now. I don't know which one I want first, but I am going to be going on like a little eating healthy and doing some exercising because I've gained a lot of weight. this winter season, and I need to lose a little bit of it because this is ridiculous. And I don't feel good. You know, when you don't feel good about yourself and you don't just feel good in general, you need to do something about it. Change is good sometimes. All right, you guys, I'm babbling. All right, I'll check you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things, and I'll check you guys on my next one. Bye.